An invasive marine species is an animal organism that comes into Australia, normally by shipping or perhaps associated with aquaculture, and is not normally found here. One of the big challenges with invasive marine species is they are very hard to detect. Many people don't know what they look like, and when they're particularly small, they're often cryptic. Environmental DNA gives us a method for actually detecting those invasive marine species. This project is about improving the sensitivity and specificity of environmental DNA assays for detecting invasive marine species. The assays that have been developed are actually more sensitive at detecting invasive species than what's currently available. They're also more cost effective, and I think one of the major things is we've actually been able to load those sequences for those invasive species and the species that are similar, that are native to Australia, into the national databases and the global databases, and that's important because it means that people won't be repeating that work. The main outcomes are that we have managed to collect a number of invasive species and accurately identify what they are, genetically sequence them. We've also collected and genetically sequenced a whole heap of the species that are very similar, for example oysters, so that we can tell them apart, the invasives from the natives. There is an increasing amount of societal awareness about invasive marine species and what the economic, social and also ecological costs can be. We've developed really good collaborations with the Department of Primary Industries and Regional Development, and particularly the biosecurity section who are actually helping us implement. Also Queensland Biosecurity. We've also been working with various people across Australia and New Zealand who are working in the invasive marine species area. So in the future, we hope that we're going to have greater ability to detect invasive marine species as they start to recruit. That will mean we can put in place better control mechanisms earlier, but also by increasing the sensitivity and the specificity, we won't actually be detecting invasive species from eDNA when they don't actually exist. That can have huge costs, and that's really important for both industry and also for the regulators.